The project that we are working on is evaluating whether trees in croplands, that is part of agroforestry, protects agricultural workers against the health effects of extreme heat. So our project is based in central Tanzania, specifically Dodoma region, where Lead Foundation has been working for more than 10 years with agricultural workers to promote climate smart agriculture, rainwater harvesting. So all these are part of nature-based solution to climate change. So in particular with the agroforestry, or we say trees and croplands, we use natural regeneration. It's called the farmer managed natural regeneration. So we've coined it in Swahili as Kisiki, which direct translation is living stump. 70% of our population depends on farming. This is a kind of occupation that is exposed to heat, is most vulnerable because they have to work and they have to work outdoors, which means standing for prolonged hours under the direct sun. We are mostly worried about the chronic effects. Our temperatures do not go as high as some of the localities that we see, the 45, 50, but still there are prolonged effects. Some of the places they are also struggling with a shortage of water, for example. So there are so many factors that will put a lot of stress to the agricultural workers. But then they don't have an alternative because they have to do that for their livelihood as well. We want to use interventions that are accessible to the community and they are sustainable. We are looking at interventions that are not going to add any pressure to the communities themselves, can be sustainable, but it also has multiple benefits, climate as well as health. We want to generate evidence because as we know with trees, we all know that they have a lot of benefits. The only benefits that we have not studied are health benefits. So that is our main goal, is to show this benefit, because what we want is to scale up this intervention to other areas in Tanzania, but also in other geographical regions that have arid and semi-arid climatic conditions. The thing that we find most exciting is working with the local communities, because it brings you very close to the people and how they live. Even before we started recruiting, we realized how much they needed this information because of low literacy, of heat health issues. So already we were able to see the impact that the project itself was having, even before we even started data collection. So that was really satisfying for us as researchers, that we are doing something good for the community.